Hi, boys and girls. It's Mrs. Tento. I came to talk to you a little bit more about taking good care of our teeth. Um, I know that all of you are losing teeth, getting new teeth, and that we've talked about how when you're in kindergarten and first grade, you lose your baby teeth and you get your permanent teeth, not all the way, but some of the way. And then when you turn around fifth grade, fourth grade, you get your 5 mirror molars in that are way in the back of your mouth. I want to show you a few of the things that I have some posters, and they said, do you have healthy teeth habits? How many of you brush your teeth? You brush your teeth, that's a good thing to do. And then, do you floss your teeth? We'll show you some more about flossing. That's where they take that little bit of string that's waxed and they put it in between your teeth to get rid of all the germs that can cause you, cavities. We don't want any of those sugar germs or sugar bugs, as some of the dentists call them. And you floss, and then after you floss, then you brush. Now, another picture that I have says, do you have a bright, happy smile? See all those teeth? They look like the teeth that I see in your mouth. Cute little white teeth, and I can always tell kind of what age you are by what kind of teeth you have. Are they itty bitty or are they getting bigger? Or do you have empty spaces like Charlie has right now in their teeth? And do you visit a dentist? And the dentist will take some pictures of your teeth, and they're known as x-rays, and they'll show you what's going on with those teeth so that they can help you the best way. And another thing is, do you eat healthy food? See, that little boy is eating, looks like a nectarine or a plum, and he's eating something good for his teeth. And do you stay away from sticky and sugary foods? Here's a picture of sticky and sugary foods. It has candies and jelly beans, all those yummy things. But if you do have that, if you do eat those, then rinse your mouth with some water or drink some water afterwards to try to rinse away some of those sugar bugs off of your teeth. It says at the bottom, what do you think? You should not eat after brushing your teeth at night. Why is that an important rule? I'll give you a minute to think about it. Talk to your mom and dad about it. Well, the reason is if you don't brush your teeth, all that extra food stays in your mouth at night, and that gives it time to make holes in your teeth called cavities. And here's a little song. Brush, brush, brush your teeth. Brush, brush them twice a day. Up, down, all around, so germs will go away. And you're supposed to brush your teeth not just 1 minute, but 2 whole minutes. My little boy and girl, when they were little, they had a timer, a sand timer, and once it got down, 1 minute was gone, they'd turn it over another minute, and they'd keep brushing. Now, my kids don't look like this little cat, but this cat's got his toothpaste in one hand and brushing. Now, I have a toothbrush. I brought two of my toothbrushes down. This one I use when I'm in a hurry, and I'll go up and down, up and down, up and down, then on what I call the pavements, back in the back roads, up and down, and then on the inside, and you kind of make your brush go like this, and up and down, and sometimes round and round, and you do that for 2 minutes. Now, and I use my regular toothpaste when I'm doing that. Now I have some other toothpaste too. One that the dentist gave me that has extra fluoride in it, and one that I took when I had a cavity and it hurt my teeth. So that was a sensitive toothpaste. Now on this one, this is my one that called a spin brush. You turn it on and it spins, and then it says, do I want those diamond shiny teeth, or do I need it on another? Oh, that's something else. That's kind of a wave. But they have all, oh, there's one to clean my tongue. Oh, my goodness. I'm going to turn it off. But this one, my dentist said, this one will get better, get rid of all of the plaque. Plaque is what builds up between your teeth. It's built by acidic foods. Do you remember the egg experiment we did? And we had the lemon juice one with the egg and the lemon juice, and it had all this buildup of junky stuff, and it was breaking apart our calcium, but I could see where that calcium on the eggshell was just hanging in there in globs. And I think that's what it might do to our teeth is break up the enamel and make some globs in there of some problems with cavities. So we have to brush. This I use at least once a day, usually at nighttime when I want to really deep clean my teeth. And then I use a Swish wash. And sometimes Swish wash can have fluoride in it, sometimes not. And your dentist will tell you which one you need fluoride with, if you need fluoride or just a regular one to help kill some of those germs. Here's something else. Oh, look, my friends brought dental floss. Maybe you have some of that at your house. I'm going to show you how to floss your teeth with an egg carton. You're not going to use the egg carton, but we're going to pretend that the egg carton, that this is our teeth. And you want to get, and we're going to pretend this is our, our floss. And we're going to take it and we're going to wrap it around. And you wrap it around your hand like this so you can get in your mouth, but you're not going to use yarn. You're going to use your little container of dental floss. But this is kind of what you have to do. You put it in between your teeth and you go up and, let me see if I can hold this better. You go back and forth and up and down and back and forth, and then let it slide all the way through. Then you go to the next one and you're going up and down and in the cracks near your gums, up and down, and then you're going to pull it through. And you keep doing that on your teeth with real dental floss. And then, oh, here's another little friend saying, brush your gums. Your gums are right down here where it's all pink. And you want to brush your gums. And you also want to brush your tongue and rinse that out. So you want to really get to the bottom. Here's a picture I have. These are some of our smart snacks. Fruit, vegetables, milk, apples, peanuts, nuts, cheeses. Those are good for your teeth. Oh, I have another friend eating good foods, and another friend eating good foods, and another friend eating some good food. Mice love cheese. Now here are some not so good foods. The foods we all love to have a treat with. But if you eat them every day, like soda pop and gummies and chocolate chip cookies and what's the sugar nuggets and fries and donuts, they're not good for your teeth and they're not good for your mind. They don't help you develop a brain real great, and they don't help your body a whole lot. So just on a, once in a while have these, but not every day. And here's, oh, he's going to visit the dentist. So boy, that's a funny looking guy in the chair visiting the dentist. How many of you visit the dentist? You're supposed to visit the dentist twice a year. Sometimes it's hard. Right now, it's really hard to visit the dentist with what's going on in our world. So keep your teeth going really good during this time, and soon enough we'll get to the dentist. Now, here's a close-up picture of how to brush your teeth at an angle. You go up with your toothbrush. Let me get my toothbrush again. You start up like this and then go down, up, down, up, down, up, down, and up and down. So you start up and then swoosh it down. Okay? And then here's another one. It says use toothpaste that has fluoride in it. Now my toothpaste, I have an extra super duper dose of fluoride on one, and this one says Fluoride Toothpaste and complete. It's got all kinds of good things in it. The next one that I have is you want to brush the inside parts of your teeth. It says brush all surfaces inside, outside, and your chewing surfaces that I call the pavements, and all the other little teeth are the houses, and we got to get them all. Then it says floss every day. You got to go way in there. You might need mommy and daddy to help you with this, and that's okay too. And then this little girl, she's got a bottle of Swish Wash rinse. That's fluoride. Fluoride helps to keep the cavities away, but you don't want to drink it every day necessarily. You may swish wash a couple times a week. You don't ever swallow Swish Wash for your teeth. You always spit it out once you're done rinsing your mouth. Rinse means to get rid of. So you're getting rid of germs, and then you get rid of the stuff, or it'll make you not feel good. And then you go and see your dentist on a regular basis. Let's see if I have anything more to show you. Oh yes, here's a close-up chart of how to brush your teeth. And can you see that? You know, hold it kind of close, not too close. See where it starts over on this side where my fingers tapping up and down, then it goes through the front, up and down and inside, up and down and inside, and then we end up with brushing our tongue. Let's show you again. There are all the steps to brushing your teeth. Oh, I see a cavity under number 4. It's got a filling. You want to keep your teeth as nice as you can for as long as you can, or else you'll turn out like my poem about Grandma's teeth. Grandma's teeth are like the stars. They come out every night. And then we'll find the rest of that in our poetry book. It's kind of funny. But you don't want to have teeth that have to come out. You want to keep those teeth in your mouth. And here's a flossing page. We'll start over with number 1 over here. And then 2 is right next to it. And 3. And then they start by putting it in between your 2 front teeth and working your way one way. Work your way another way. You can always get more floss. And see 5. And then 6. And then 7. And 8. And, sometimes it's better to floss first, and then you're going to brush all that junk away. Let's see if they say that. Use a soft toothbrush. You don't want to use a hard toothbrush. It's not good for your gums or your teeth. Better to use a soft one. Well, maybe if we get to go back to school sometime, I'll take my real teeth that are in a jar. They're not my teeth, but they are in a jar for you to see all the roots and how deep your teeth have these 2 prongs that go into your jawline to hold them in. And I have a few samples of real teeth that I guess the teacher before me brought them in, or somebody let her have, like maybe wisdom teeth that have been pulled. Very interesting. Now, I want to just remind you, do you remember our egg experiments? And we learned that different things that we drink or eat, such as vinegary things and lemon and sugary soda pop, they can all eat away at what's called our enamel. The enamel is the shiny outer part of our teeth. It's the hardest substance in our body, are our teeth. And those fluids really wreaked havoc, especially the vinegar. I love vinegar. I love it in salads. But usually we don't have as much vinegar as what was in our experiment. But if you set your teeth in them for lots of hours, they would, remember that eggshell turned to rubber. We don't want bouncy teeth. Anyway, remember to floss, brush, rinse your teeth, brush your tongue, brush your gums, and rinse it out. Do it 2 times a day at a minimum. 3 times is great if you can brush your teeth right after lunch when you're home, breakfast, right after lunch, and right after dinner. Then you're taking good care of your teeth. I hope that you've learned something more about dental care, taking care of that pretty smile you have. And Ask your dentist what you can do to take care of yours even better. Have a great day, kindergarten, and brush those teeth.